Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I had a few questions about ovens and ranges. The first one was, how can you like tell in like 5 seconds if your bottom drawer is warming or is it just for storage?
Well, there's two different sections on a warming versus broil. First of all, if it's got a thicker shell right here, it is for broiling and warming.
Okay.
And second of all, you'll have a little symbol right there that says it's for lower broil. Or if you click the button, it'll say warming or keep warm.
Okay, all right. Well, is this bottom drawer just like a feature on the oven that most people just aren't using, or is it just like a pan holder?
Yes and no. It can be for storage, it can be for warming. It depends on your oven. So an item like this, where it's got really thin walls in it, it's just for storage. If it's got the thicker walls, or if it's got the broil feature, then it can be used for keeping food warm or using for a broiler.
I see. So, well then, is there something that you should never really put in like your oven storage drawer?
Yes, anything plastic, such as a cutting board, anything flammable, matches, that kind of stuff, gasoline. Also, if you have a pan that does not have a high temperature handle, do not put that in the lower warming tray.
Yeah, right. It's gonna like melt it down and mess it up. Okay, all right, got it. All right. So, well, then my last question would be, can you actually like cook anything in that drawer, or is it really just to keep things warm and things like that?
Yes, the warming tray is generally meant for keeping breads rising and proofing. It can also be used as a slow cooker in emergencies.
I see.
Or if you want to serve on nice warm plates or bowls, you can put them down there, keep them warm, pull them out when they're ready to go.
Okay.
It's not generally for actually cooking, it's generally for keeping warm or slow cooking.
Right, all right. Well, makes sense. Thank you so much for your time.
No problem, thank you.
All right.